If I can play the guitar.
Thank you. Bro, I'm gonna cry. These shoes are so pretty. Going on my vlog.
I'm gonna send you the actual video.
Yes! Stop being so good. Oh my god.
God's plan. You can't do that. God's plan.
Hi guys. So we're eating. Well, they're eating at supper right now, but we're gonna go to the library because literally she has an exam tomorrow and it's accounting, and she gets like 10 pages test. That's hilarious. Do you have an exam tomorrow?
No, Friday.
Yeah, that's his food. Looks real good. What is it?
It's a chicken teriyaki rice bowl with green goddess sauce.
Get that when you go to Subway next time. This is so aesthetic. Shit. You guys in a long time. I'm sorry about that, by the way. I don't know why my phone is slanting, so I need to fix that. Like, I fixed it. Yeah, so I wanted to tell you, today is Tuesday. It's at night. It's like around like, what's the time? Yeah, it's 9 something. And I have my first exam on Thursday. This is so crazy. I haven't had an exam in like 4 years. It's actually kind of freaking crazy, and I think it's a setup that they would bring back exams on my last year at high school, but it's whatever. I knew I was gonna have to do exams later or whatever, however you say it. I don't know. I know I was gonna have to do exams. I just didn't think it was gonna be now. It's okay. It doesn't run myself over with a car, but yeah, I have my first exam on Thursday. Oh my god, guys, like I just found this not binder, but like it's a journal that I had and I wanted to show you guys. I found it. It's something that I was doing over like quarantine. But wait, it is like a binder, but like a journal. But oh my god, I do have to hold it real tight. It is on its last breath, but not too loud. Not too loud. Look how pretty that is. I want to go back to when I was creative. How do I get back to that? But yeah, I want to show you guys a little haul. Like I bought like literally this whole thing is full of stickers for this. It's crazy. It's crazy.
I make a love for you while you're sleeping, like a Haitian, like a Haitian, like a Haitian. Yeah, I'll make a love for you while you're sleeping, like a Haitian, like a Haitian, like a Haitian. Yeah, 미안하지만 얼굴은 닮을 생각 없어. 머리도 맘에 안 들어 내가 원하는 건 그 녀석의 목소리와
There's like a whole snowstorm out of nowhere, bro. And I have an exam tomorrow. I'm scared. I'm scared.
내가 원하는 건 그 녀석의 목소리와 쟤는 기차는 만져본 적조차 없어 내가 원하는 건 어디 아무도 안 오는 곳에 색감 좀 태우고 가위 앉은
Guys, oh my god, that was actually so terrible. Like, I left the library at 4 and I just got home and it's 7:23. I've literally spent 3 hours trying to get back home. I just never think it's this deep for Canada's weather to be like this. It's never that deep, you know? Like, bro, I can't feel my toes. Like, my toes are barely hanging out right now. They're gripping onto the floor trying to find every warmth they can. I don't deserve this. And you watch. The school is still going to tell us to come do our exams tomorrow, even though they literally canceled all the buses. The only reason I spent 3 hours is because the buses were not going. Bro, it was a journey. I'm an adventurer. Called Dora, I'm the new explorer. Because ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way.
손이 될 정도로 뜨거운 커피를 마시고 널 마주 보면서 노래를 해주기를 원해 Girl, if I can't play the guitar 넌 오그라드는 걸 싫어하니까는 절대 촛불을 100개 밝혀놓고 널 밤에 불러
Oh my god, hi guys. So I just finished my I just got home. So that means I'm done with my exam. It was an English exam, so it wasn't that crazy. Like, it shouldn't have been difficult, or it isn't difficult, but like, it was an essay. The whole exam was an essay. Like, they give us topics, and then we had to make an essay from those topics, and it's kind of bad, because I can't form an essay in 1 hour. I can't. I'm sorry, I just can't, you know? But it's okay. I'm done with the class. That's the only thing that's keeping me going right now. That's the only thing that's keeping me going. I'm done with the exam. I'm done with that class. Now I just have my math exam, and I'm not really stressing about this, but I do have my math exam, and I'm willing to try my best. So, hey. Oh my god, I really have been coming on here looking every type of crazy. Yo, I promise I do not look like this in real life. I'm just kind of going a little crazy right now because it's exam week, but I promise you, I will bounce back. Watch. I don't look like this in real life. Oh.